In this video, I will show you how to delete multiple Instagram posts at once, so you don't have to remove them one by one. This is useful if you have hundreds of posts on Instagram. So let's get started. If you have a lot of posts, deleting them individually can take a lot of time. Instagram doesn't offer a delete all button, but it does allow you to remove multiple posts together, which makes the process much faster. First, open Instagram app on your mobile. Now tap your profile icon located at the bottom right side. Tap the three lines in the top right corner to access settings. From here, select your activity. This section shows all your actions and content. Now scroll down to the content you shared section. Tap on posts and you will see a list of your uploaded posts. Tap select in the top right and now choose the post that you want to delete. You can select multiple posts at once up to around 100 at a time. After selection, just tap delete. And here you will get a confirmation prompt. Just confirm your action. And your selected post will be removed instantly. Now repeat the same process in batches until all the unwanted posts are deleted. And that is how you can delete multiple Instagram posts quickly without doing it one by one. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.